Hello students, this is P. Srinivas working in SRR Gout Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the subject is operating system taken by subtitle is thread and multi-threading models. So this topic is uh, final year MPCS 5th semester students. So the already previous classes we discussed by the operating system and the types of operating system and evolution of operating system. So previous classes discussed by many more topics. Today we discuss the thread and multi-threading models. A threading is flow of execution through the process code with its own program and the counter that keeps track of which instruction to execute next. System registers which hold its current working variables and stock which contains the execution history. Actually, uh, the own program counter. What is the program? Program is set of instructions. So the program, just we take the one example, C language is program. Instruction to execute next system registers which hold the current working variables. The programs executed by one. So it takes some time first program and the second program is waiting and the second program is the first program completed after the second program it's take and run to the on the system execute next program the registers which hold its current working variables and stack which contains the execution of history. A thread is also called a lightweight process. The the process is very easy to understand. This is we call lightweight process. Thread provide a way to improve application performance through provide a way to improve application performance through parallelism. Threads represent a software approach to improving the operating system by reducing the overhead thread. So the overhead used to the operating system, the reduced the overhead, the main advantages of the thread. So it is a one of the lightweight process, easy to execute the programs, and the thread is equivalent of classical process. So the very useful to the operating system, the thread represent a software approach. So what is software? Software is a set of programs available for two types, system software and application software. Now we are learning the system software, that is operating system. So without operating system we cannot run the computers, and the system software and application software is the different. The application software is the just we take the MS Office and database management system. In this database management system, SQL structure query language and hospital management system and different types of operating systems, uh, we use the application software. These are the different types of application softwares. So the operating system supported, we take the which operating system supported by the softwares. The softwares are run on the computers. So how many types of multi-threading models? There are the three types available. So what are they? Minute to one model and one to one model and minute to many model. These are the multi-threading models. So threading is, it is a easy software and a lightweight process software. lightweighted software, it is supported to the reduce the overhead of the the operating system. So in this multi-threading models, it is divided with three types: many to one model, one to one model, and many to many model. So first one is the many to many model. Many to many model maps many user level and threads to one kernel thread. So what is kernel thread? It is a just like we call the bridge between the user and the program. So the operating system, in between the kernel is just like bridge. The kernel thread and the thread management is done by the thread library in user space. So it is efficient when the thread makes a blocking system call. The entire process will be blocked. Only one thread can access the kernel at a time. So multiple threads are unable to run in the parallel multiprocessor. So what is multiprocessor? Every computer has a fix in the motherboard in the middle of the processor. So the processor is depending on speed of operating system and the system applications. Each and every software is depending on run the with the processor. So multiprocessor means the capacity of two processors and more than two processors, single processors. The capacity total processor in this multiprocessor can use the and work the very fast comparing with single processor, and the multiprocessor is the so two systems work only one system doing the this is called multiprocessor operating system. So multiprocessor is the very useful to the user. So the access of the kernel at a time. So multiple threads are unable to run in the parallel on the multiprocessor. Just here see the one diagram is there, many to many. Many to one diagram here. So many here, one, two, three, four user threads and one kernel thread. So many to one diagram. In this model, the library maps all all threads to single lightweight process. So what is library? Library is the store the different types of software applications in the different types of programs in the library. That is called a library. The this type of library maps threads to single lightweight process. The what is the advantage of many to one? It is totally portable, easy to do with few systems, and the dependencies. So easy to understand and total portable means it is a small. This is the advantages of many to one, and the disadvantages cannot take advantages of parallelism and may have the block for synchronous input output devices. There is a clear technique for. So easy to understand this diagram. One kernel thread and these are the user thread. 1, 2, 3, 4 user. These are the user threads. So many to one 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 process. This is called thread many to one thread. Just we take the one example. So many to one. The student can learn the many subject courses. So student is one, but many certificate courses, different types of certificate courses he learn. There is an example in this kernel thread is the user thread. User thread is the using for the different types of threads. This is the easy process and reduce the operating system overhead. So use for the different types of parallel. The library maps all threads to single lightweight process. So user can easily use this different types of threads. So kernel thread is the supported. It is the just like we call the bridge. In this bridge the user can send the use the different types of kernels. So the second one is the one to one. The model maps each user thread to kernel thread and the provides. So already we discussed what is kernel. Kernel is a bridge between user and the operating system. It is provides to a kernel thread. It provides more concurrency than the many to one. So model by allowing the another thread to run when a thread makes a blocking system call. It is also allow the multi-thread to run the parallel on the multiprocessor. The only drawback to this model is the creating user thread and the requires creating the corresponding kernel and run in the parallel on multiprocessor. So it is a multiprocessor is the very Pentium 3 core, Pentium 2 core. This is the different types of multiprocessors available in the market. It is the store and run the very fast comparing with the single processor. The only drawback to the model is that creating user thread requires creating the corresponding kernel. So one to one. Here see the user thread is the 1 2 3 4. The kernel thread is the 1 2 3 4. So one user thread, one kernel thread. This is called one to one thread. So one to one thread model. So in this model the library maps each thread do different lightweight process advantages and can exploit and the parallelism and the blocking system calls. Disadvantages are there. uh, Thread creating involves LWP creation. Each thread takes up kernel resources and the limiting the number of total threads used in the Linux and threads and other systems where LWP creation is not too and the expensive. This is the comparing with many to one. The one to one is the very expensive available in the market. So easily understand this different the diagram. One thread, one user, and kernel, one kernel, four kernels, and four different types of. So one to one kernel, one thread, one kernel, one thread, one thread, and one kernel, one thread, and one kernel. So this is called one to one thread. Just we take the example. So one student is learning for the one certificate course. So that is called one to one relationship. Here one to one thread, multi thread. So many to many model. Third one, the many to many model multiplexes and the many user level threads to smaller and the kernel threads. The number of kernel threads may be specific to entire particular application or particular machine. This model provides the best accuracy, performs the blocking system call. The kernel can such schedule another thread for execution. So the topics are just to see and we understand uh, different types of uh, creativity of the diagrams are there and the subject is understand the just we take the different types of slides just to see here many to many. So many to many here the diagram is there, user threads and the kernel threads. So many 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3, these are the many threads, many kernel threads. So it work very easily and this is example for the many to many. What is advantages are there? Just in this model the library has two kinds of threads, bound and unbound. So bound threads are mapped each to single lightweight process. Unbound threads may be and the map to same LWP. So portable portably the best both worlds and used in the Solaris and the implementation of and several other Unix implementation. So the Unix also multi-user operating system, Windows also multi-user operating system, Linux is the multiple operating system. So all are the operating systems are follow the menu board thread system. So what is content? Scheduling definition, scheduling objectives and types of scheduling. Already we discussed this scheduling discussion, the topic above, and see the some diagrams are there. The scheduler is the special system software which handles the process scheduling various ways. There the main task is to select the jobs to the submitted system and runs. Here CPU trends. See the diagram is there. Silicon chips, dias, and the integrated heat uh, splitter IHC and the smart cache memory and the substrate. The core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4. So what is core? This is the processor model. CPU trends processor model. So the CPU, the processor is the fixed with in the middle of the motherboard. So silicon chips. These are the silicon chips and integrated heats spreader IHS and the substrate. Here see the smart cache memory. So memory is the RAM and ROM, the primary memory. Secondary memory is the hard disk and the hard disk. Next one, what is the different secondary storage devices? uh, Compact disk CD, and next one the pen drive is the storage device. So in this the core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4, these here two processor are there. So the core is the speed of the system depending on the core. See Intel Pentium, so core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4. CPU trends. So next one introduction. The thread is here code, data, files, registers, stack. So these are the used by the user. Code is the user for the system program edited on the system, and data means we can store the information. Files also, that is the information files and sub files store in the folders, and registers stack. This is the user mode. And the thread, single thread processor. This is called single thread processor. And what is a multi-thread processor? So code, data, files in the same single thread also, multi-thread also, code and the data, files, registers and stack. Here thread is the multi-threads. So this is called multi-thread processor. This is the single line thread processor. This is a multi-thread processor. Just we see the AO example, that is a multi-thread processor, means core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4. These are the different types of cores available, that is called multi-thread processor. So this is called thread actually. So introduction of memory, heavy versus light processor. So what is light processor? In the market available for the light processor means it is the lightweight but work with the very faster than comparing with the single processor. So user address space, here stack and text and data and the heap. So this is the user mode. So user address space, user can store the different some area, just like we take the in this 500 GB hard disk, 100 GB, 100 GB, 100 GB, divided the parts of different types of uh, in the stack and next text. So stack and next text means some information storage, data is the information. So this stack is the pointer to program and the counter to registers. So the stack is the pointer and the program counted to the register. Here the process ID, group ID, user ID and the files looks stocks. Here the user address space. So user address space in the thread 2 stock, thread 1 stock, and next one is the text information, data information and heap. Here the stock pointer program counter registers, stock pointer program counter registers, and the process ID, user ID, group ID. So files and the logs and the sockets. The what is socket? Socket is a attachment with the buses to use the different types of sockets, and the processor connection with the system, one socket to another socket. So why should I care about the threads? Pro and cons. The resources are available and the sharing the data information. So sharing means the clients and some different types of one client and server system and client system. The server share the data information to clients. So 1 2 3 4 clients are there. Use for the user different types of clients. So economy and the scalability. So corners, hard implementation and synchronization and the critical section and the deadlock, leave locks. So we care for these type of threads. Two kinds of threads, user thread and the kernel thread. Here see the user thread and the kernel thread. Kernel thread is a just like it is a bridge, and this is the multi users can use the multi threads. So the user thread is the lightweight software, lightweight system, and the thread model user level threads. Here implementation in a software library. Already we discussed by the what is software. It is a set of programs available for the software is the two types, system software and application software. The system software is used for the system run. Just like we take the one example, operating system. In this operating system, single user operating system and multi user operating system. Single user is the MS DOS, Microsoft Disk operating system. Multi user is the Windows and Unix, Linux. These are the different types of operating systems. And Win32 API. So Pro easy. This is a very easy handling and the fast context and switch and the transparent of to operating system. No new address space and the no need to change address space. Once we prepared, the data will be no new address space and no need to change the address space. Easy to handling. The cons: do not benefit from the multi-threading or the multi-processing, multi-blocked and the process blocked. So kernel level, execute the mode is the manage the by the operating system. Here the resource aware, no need to use and the new address space and the thread block schedule. So and this is the multi-threader is the it is just like kernel bridge, slower than user threads. So the thread models are implemented in the models from many to one, from one to one, and the from many to many models. Just already we see, but once again we repeated by the diagrams is different diagrams. So thread models from many to one. So here many user threads and the kernel thread is the single. These are the multi user threads. Old process is the blocked if one thread is blocked, and the useless on the multi-core architecture. So what is multi-core? The processor model is the single core, and the multi-core is the number of processors attached with only single, that is called multi-core processor architecture design and the thread models from one to one. So one user thread, one kernel thread. So works fine on multi-core architecture and the many kernel threads high overhead. There is a drawback, high overhead. So many to many, she works fine on the multi-core architecture and less overhead than one-to-one model. And the multi-threading, multitasking, here single core and multiprocessor. Single core is the RAM, random access memory, and the CPU, central processing unit. What is CPU? And in this CPU available for the three types. What are they? ALU, arithmetic logic unit, and next one is the control unit, control all the activities of computers. Next one is the memory unit. Memory is the, already we discussed previous class, the memory is the two types, the RAM and ROM. RAM is the random access memory, ROM is the read-only memory. So the ALU is the arithmetic logic unit. So just in this central processing unit, the process will be a continuation. So how to run the process? The user can enter the data into the input devices, keyboard or mouse. The data will be transferred into the ALU, arithmetic logic unit. The data will be transferred here. So for example, we enter into the A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10, C is equal to A plus B. The C answer is the 20. So how to get the answer? Just for the arithmetic operating arithmetic operators are available in the ALU, arithmetic logic unit. So what are they? We are giving the plus or minus, the control unit control the A plus B. So the answer is the 20. So get the final answer is the 20. The data will be transferred into the control unit and the next transfer into the memory unit. Finally it was transferred into the we see the output. So the output is the monitor or printer. So we see the output, the user entered data, the finally the in the monitor we see the total different types of information. So this process doing on the central processing unit. So RAM is the depending on speed. We insert the one RAM or two RAMs in the CPU central processing unit. A motherboard attached with the RAM slot and the multiprocessor. Multiprocessor is the here RAM and the two CPUs are the central processing units, and the next one core 1, core 2, and the front end. So here multiprocessor, the thin clients just like client 1, client 2, RAM is 1 but CPUs 2. That is the symmetric multiprocessor system. This is the single core system. These are the difference between here single CPU, here available for the two CPU central processing units. The multi-threading, the RAM is the random access memory, CPU central processing execute core, and the front core. RAM and the CPU central processing unit and hyper threading. So random access memory, CPU. Here multi-threading. So total thread process, the percentage is counted, headers and the threads, central processing unit, and next one is the topology and the cores and scholars. This is the multi-threading process. And next one, multi-threading. How can we use the multi-threading architecture? So thread level parallelism, data level parallelism. Two types. So thread level parallelism and data level parallelism. The data level is the, what is data? Data is the information. So what is database? Database is the organized collection of related data. The database is the used to the user. The user is the store the some information in the computer. The drives in the D drive, E drive, F drive. We can use the multi-threading architectures. this type, thread level parallelism and data level parallelism. Next one, multi-threading. So thread level parallelism, here single threading. So task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, and the thread 1, core 1 here, and the thread level parallelism, text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4, and the thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 4, and core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4. Data level parallelism. So array A. So task 1, task 2, task 3, here the data level, store the information, data level parallelism. And the next one, course, context of the switch on the high latency event and the very fast thread switching, no threads, slowdown, and the loss of the throughput due to the short stalls, pipelines startup. So this is also uh, multi-threading, gradularity. So what is multi-threading? Here see the Intel Pentium 4 and the fine Gralid and the Intel Pentium 2, Intel Pentium Core 2 Duo. So these are the different types of processors available in the market. So thread 1 blue color, thread 2 is the shades color, and the thread 3 is the yellow color, thread 4 is the green color, next one it is just like orange color, thread 5, and the ideal white slot. So this is the thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, 4, the colors in the Pentium models. Context switching. What is central processing unit? The ESP thread 1 legs, here thread 1 and the thread 2. So thread 2 registers and the running ready. Pushing old text, here the thread 1 and the registers, thread 2 registers, CPU, central processing unit. Saving old stack pointer, the CPU processing unit. Just to briefly explain the what is the thread. The thread is the flow execution of the through process code, and with its own program, and the counter keeps to track with the instruction to execute the next system registers which hold its, and the current working variables stack contains the execution of history. So the thread is also called lightweight process. So thread is, it is a lightweight process, and threads provide way to improve the application performance. So what is application performance? There is a software of application, softwares are there. The application software performance improve depending on these threads. So the threads is lightweight and improve the application software information updated and improve. There is a duty of the threads, and the representation of software approach to improving performance, and the operating system reduce the overhead. So that is the operating system is the each and every computer it must use the, without operating system we cannot use the computers. The user and the system, it is user and a system in between, the interface between the operating system. Without operating system we cannot run the computers. So the operating system is must. So the operating system is two types. What are they? They are the single user and the multi user. Single user is the MS DOS Microsoft Disk operating system. So and the multi user is the Windows, Red Hat Linux, and the Unix. These are the different types of multiple operating systems. So in this multiple operating system, multi-threads, the threads are uh, the threads are used for the reduce the operating system process, the application, different types of application preparation, and the thread is called lightweight. It is a lightweight and used for the operating system. The user mode, the concept we store the different types of areas, reduce the ante multiple in this multiple operating system we do the multiple applications and doing the at a time work. So the in this time we get the some more problems. So that type of problems reduced by the operating system, and in this reduced by the thread used for the operating system. So the thread is must use for the reduce the operating system problems and rectify the problems, easy to understand, and the application performance increased. So different types of way used for this type of operating system. So catching stock pointer, central processing unit, and thread 1 thread 2 running here. So this is a internally hardware process and software process. So what is the hardware? Hardware is the physical components of computers. We enter into the lab, see the different types of devices. What are they? The what are devices? The keyboard and the monitor, and the next one the printer. These are the different types of devices. So when a thread is a tires to access to shared variables to thread B. So here see the one example is there, different types of works. So the A tires access the shared variable. So it was interface between the B thread deadlocks. Here the traffic is down, uh, problem rectification in the A to B, and when the process is A is waiting for resources and the reserved B, which is the waiting for reserved for A. So it is helpful for the A A processor, and that get the some problems. The B is introduced. So the B is the get some problem. The A is introduced. That is, it is replaced between the A and B, and the race condition. The result of and the execution depends on the order of execution of different threads. More issues, and the single handling in the multi-threading application, and the scheduler activation, and the kernel threads have to communicate with the user thread calls, and the thread is the termination of uh, head before thread before has the completed. The designing of the thread library, the user thread, and the lightweight processor LWP, and the kernel thread. So kernel is, what is kernel? Kernel is a bridge, multiprocessor support, and virtual processor, real-time support, and next one memory management, provide the functions library rather than module portability. Thread pool. So different threads available in pool. When the task arrives, it gets the assigned to free thread. Once a thread completes its services, it and the returns in the pool uh, awaits another work. So in this pool, different types of threads available. So the thread is the one working, and the another one is the waiting for work for next time. So this is the useful for the pool. Next one, thread model. This is the Mesa language and the multiple lightweight and the pre emptative and the scheduled threads in the shared address space, and the threads may have the different priorities. This is the support for the conditional variables and the monitors and the critical sections and the mountains. These are the different types of common mistakes and issues. So the timeout uh, the timeout hacks for the missing for the notify. If the instead of the while for the monitors and handling the resource consumption, and the Slack process may need hack, and the using of the single thread, designing libraries in the multi-threading environment, and the spoof. This is the different types of lags, common mistakes in the issues. So thank you very much, students. This is the operating system subject, and the subtitle is the threads and multi-threads. These are the models of the three types, and the many to one, and the one to one, and the next one many to many. So these types of available for the threading and multi-threading system. Thank you very much.